guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another unboxing video. So guys, I got some of my parcels from AliExpress. For my last vlog, I actually told you guys that some of my parcels are actually coming from AliExpress. So I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of some of the parcel and one other stuff I got from a nail vendor here in Port Harcourt. So you're going to be seeing that in this video. So this parcel was actually I bought it from AliExpress like 2-3 weeks ago, and it's in Nigeria. I went to the office to collect it today, so I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like. It's just little item. They are not that much, but it's something that I make use of. So guys, the first parcel is this, and let's open it. So we're going to see what is inside. So this is actually this is the cutter I ordered from AliExpress. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be leaving the amount of this on the screen, and also I'm going to be leaving the link to this in the description box, so you can go and get it if you want to get it. So this is like a peeler you use for your fruit. You want to peel your yam, your potatoes, anything that you want to peel. This comes in very, very handy for you. So I'm going to be leaving the price on the screen like I said before. So AliExpress is a website where you shop cheap things. I've talked about AliExpress on my channel, but not really detailed. So I love shopping from AliExpress because there are things that are actually cheap, and the downside for some person is for some person about AliExpress is the fact that it takes time to come, but it actually comes. So AliExpress is a place that you can actually shop and get good things if you know how to do it. So I still keep on saying it. If you want a detailed video on how to shop from AliExpress, please leave it in the comment section. I don't want to make videos that my subscribers wouldn't want to watch. Like I want 2 or 3 persons to just tell me that they would love to know how to shop from AliExpress, so that I can make the video, because I feel like it's something people like to watch. But I just want at least 1 or 2 persons to just show concern about it. Then I will certainly film that video. So this is the first item I got from AliExpress, and I'm going to be opening the second one. So guys, this one is a mobile phone adapter. With this adapter now, this is an iPhone adapter. With this adapter now, I am able to plug my microphone into this place and then plug it to my iPhone. If you can see, you see that it's having this iPhone stuff. I hope you guys can see this. It's having this iPhone stuff, and then this is where I plug in my microphone, and then I just insert it to my phone here and plug my mic here, and then I can make my videos. I can now record my audios. My audios will start looking nice from today henceforth, because I want to start syncing my audios to my videos. Like my camera, my Sony A5100 doesn't have a mic jack, so with this now I am able to record my audio separately and then sync it into my video, just to give you guys the best of the best quality. So I'm going to be testing it out in this video. I'm going to be recording the audio, and we are going to be listening side by side the audio from this phone, from my mic that I recorded with this phone, and then the audio from the main camera. I'm going to be doing that experiment for you guys now, like now. So guys, this is the audio from my lapel mic using the phone adapter I got from AliExpress. What do you guys think about it? So guys, this is the audio from my lapel mic using the phone adapter I got from AliExpress. What do you guys think about it? You can tell me what you think about the quality of that of the mic and that of this camera. I'm going to show you guys the other unboxing of the luxury nail set I got from a brand in Port Harcourt here, so you can check out that unboxing. So guys, I got a parcel from the 𝖸Say brand. It's a press-on nail, because I told you guys I've been having allergy for like, it should be like 3-4 months now. I cannot do gel nails. I cannot do anything that involves super glue, nail polish is out of it for me. Like I can't do it again, because the moment I do it, my cuticle starts to itch. So this one I bought now it came with a sticky pad, so that's what I'm going to be using for it, and it's reusable. I can use it for as many times as I want. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So it came with this beautiful packaging. My name is written here. I like this stuff written here. It says, "Hey Queen," something like that. Let's open it. Let's open it and see what's in there. Don't see. So empty pack. Then look at the packaging again. This is I love her packaging. Like, her packaging is really fine. Luxury nail sets. So this is what it is. So wow. See what is in there. I don't know if you guys can see. This is a card, thank you card. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. We hope this package brightens up your day as much as it has ours." I don't understand. We would love to see how it looks on you. Don't forget to tag us. Okay, this is what this card is for. Thank you card. And this one is just like an instruction card on how to use the press-on nails. So it says use instruction on how to use it. So I'm not going to read that for you. Don't have time. So it has this buffer, this cute buffer. Look how cute this buffer is. And it has the nail glue used to glue your nails. And it has this cuticle pusher. And it has sticky pad. Guys, I'm going to be using this sticky pad for the nails, and this is 24 set of sticky pad, which means it's for 2 use. This is actually for 2 use. So, and this is my nails. Wow, see how cute this is. Let me bring you people closer. Guys, this is what the nails look like. I love short nails. I don't like nails that is too long, just short nails. So I went for this I don't know, is it stilos? I don't know what to call these nails, but I just like the nude and I went for it. So guys, you've seen all the unboxings. I hope you were entertained from this video. If you've not joined the family, please join the family. Turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a constructive comment, tell me what you think about the audio quality of my phone adapter and that of the camera that doesn't have a mic with it. So I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.